Hello guys. Hello guys. We're here at Georgetown. Look at the bridge, hanging bridge.
Oh, really?
It's so very authentic.
Oh, really?
Very sorry lang. We're exotic and where's the animal there? You can see over there. There's an
My gosh.
hippopotamus.
Uy,
Sorry lang.
yes, yung ano, yung water lily. Tignan mo nga yung
Yes.
Yung
Look
sa
at the
baba.
view, guys. Look at
Uy,
that.
baka maano yung surfing to dyan.
Oh. Look at the view.
Feeling it for the whole of your life. Uy. Look at that, son. Kasi tignan mo
That's
yung mga blocks
us.
na. Ang dami ding ano, fish.
Water lily and fish.
Have you seen the fish?
Koi fish.
Well, that's a tilapia, not a, you know, not a koi.
Yeah, that's a koi one. There's the tilapia one. Nakita na yung hayop dyan. Nawala ka yung hayop. Dyan.
Pero kulbo po sa ay.
Itong hayop dyan.
Ano ba yung hinahanap ko? Yung usa?
Oh,
Yung deer?
yung parang usa.
Ay, ayun oh. Nagka-hide lang siya.
Ay,
Ang laki ng ano niya oh.
Can't see it.
Why? Ay, ayun. Gumalaw na siya.
Daw. I-zoom doon ako. Where?
Haven't you seen it? That one ba? Oh.
Ay, kato.
Oh,
Ay,
that
oh.
one.
My God, Darla.
Let's go na. Baka andun na sila. Tayo uwi na.
Look at the view. Very, very nice view.
Not really.
The water lily is there.
I really have a fear of heights. Okay. When I saw it there, when I see there,
Yes.
when I see there,
Yes.
I feel nervous. I don't know why, but it just happened. Is that
Yeah.
what's so called fear of heights?
Not really. That
Look
I
at the
fear
fucking
of
fish! Yeah, there's a turtle.
criminal.
There's a turtle there.
Ate, come here. Kunin mo ako. Hug ate.
Uy, paano kung nadulas tayo dito, no? Ba't tayo yung ginamit dito? People can live the nature. How imagine, I have you imagine nga, ang tao makabuild of nature, something like this is a man-made. Tama. Ano to